Keep your back flat. Nice ones. Here comes some rollers, so you're going to have a little more of a balance challenge with it. Woo! Nice work. Squat and then up and reach. Squat and then up and reach. Good. All the way down. How low can you go? Bend through those legs. Keep your back flat. Yes. You feel it in your core? And your legs too, huh? Yeah. Good. Just a couple more on each side. All right, perfect. 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 11. Back flat, butt out. Good. 3 more. 2 more. 1 more. Now you can transition right into the next one. Good. Push up. Step up. Stand up. Yes. Good. Use your legs. Push up. Step up. Stand up. Yeah. Good girl. Try not to round your back when you come up. Try to keep it flat. She's like, I'm just trying to keep breathing right now. Yes. Little, even more, stick your tailbone out on the way up and on the way down so you really keep your back flat. So stay in a low squat, tailbone out, chest up, and then stand up. Much better.